So on October 16th, 1992, I got sworn in to Kentucky Supreme Court and I passed the bar. And I had an idea. I had been working for my father, who was semi-retired. And I had an idea that we could form Isaacs and Isaacs. I approached him, and I'll never forget, my father kind of chuckled. But I was very young, and I didn't think I would get the respect as a sole practitioner. So he agreed, and on 1/1 of '93, I formed Isaacs and Isaacs PSC, and it's taken off from there. What I always wanted to do is pride myself on giving great service, returning calls, telling the clients what they need to hear, not what they want to hear, and just being honest and ethical. That's kind of been the foundation when we founded Isaacs and Isaacs. And I know we reached our 25-year anniversary, and sadly my father passed in 2016, but I think he's looking down. But some of the milestones that we've achieved, we've just represented tens of thousands of clients and recovered over $1 billion. And to think we started as just like a mom and pop shop.
What I love about working at Isaacs and Isaacs, I think it's just the focus. Really from the moment a client walks in the door, our focus is on doing what's best for them, whether it's getting the claim set up initially, or if it's down the line, focusing on getting them the best possible outcome for their case. We really are all about the client, focusing on them, and I think that's really unique to this firm.
The reason why we stand out from other law firms is our experienced attorneys, and also we care about what happens. It's serious work, but it's satisfying work. We try to bring some normalcy to the chaos that individuals encounter when they have an accident.
Over the years, I've met with a lot of different clients. One thing they all have a common element is they all want to have personal service and attention, and I feel like that's what we excel in. Clients can always get a hold of me. I give everybody my cell number. We'll come to them if they can't come to us. What I think separates us is all we handle are personal injury cases. If you have a big truck case or a wrongful death, or you're on a motorcycle or you're on a bike, any personal injury case where it's through someone else's negligence, we want to represent you. We want to help you. We're like the quarterback. We're going to be calling all the shots. We're going to help you every step of the way. We represent people who've had horrendous injuries, their lives have been altered. Well, it happened to me. I was just like everybody else. I had a horrible accident, had lots of surgeries, didn't walk for 8 days. My family was affected, my work was affected. And now it makes you so much more appreciative, and it really changed my perspective, because you're always representing people and you don't really know truly what they're going through until you've gone through it. It makes me want to help so many more people.
As attorneys, we see a lot of serious accidents. We see a lot of people who have some significant, permanent, life-changing events, but we don't live it. He's actually lived it, and that has actually made a difference for him when he looks at these files and looks at these cases, because that's what happened to him. So he can very much relate to the clients and the things that they've lost and the things they can't do anymore. It just humanizes the entire experience for him, and it's been helpful for us as well, because we try to learn from him and understand, the empathy is real. These are real problems and these are real issues they're facing, and he's faced them with grace as well.
So the Hammer, Darryl, he's the best, and I think it speaks to the type of man and the type of attorney that he is, to when you look back at the firm that he's developed and that he's nurtured. Again, people don't want to go to a firm or to an individual that they are not comfortable with. So Darryl's involvement in the community, his level of outreach is, I think, unprecedented and unrivaled in the community. And I think that example that he sets really spreads to everyone else in the firm. And he's obviously well known by virtue of the commercials and the billboards, but really I think what's even more impressive is the type of person he is outside of those commercials and those billboards.
He wants you to work hard. He started out the firm with his dad, and they worked hard and built a firm that he's very proud of, and wants you to work hard for the clients that we get to help through very chaotic times in their lives.
It feels like family. It really does. It feels like family to work there, and I think we treat our clients like family.
It always makes you feel good when you can make a difference. We can't undo the wrong, but just like when someone is tragically killed, we can seek justice for them. We can keep their memory alive. We really get to help people, and a lot of times we help people that other people won't help. I just love what I do, and I love the people I work with, so it's good.